And lower court orders in Delhi have passed the order to release Pinjara Tod activists. Natasha Narwal, Devangana Kalita and Asif Tanha are now out on bail. Earlier, they had knocked the Delhi High Court's doors seeking immediate release. So the orders have now come from the lower court in Delhi to release these three activists who had been in prison in the past few months, and this over the CAA protests. But for now, the order have now come for their release. Anisha Mathur, for all the latest. Anisha, so there was some controversy of what precisely happened and why were they not being released. So now the order is out?
Well, Pooja, there is a very clear case of confusion here this morning. Remember, these three were granted bail by the Delhi High Court on Tuesday. Yeah, all of yesterday, we saw their lawyers were waiting for the trial court to pass the release orders, because the process is that the trial court has to sign the release orders, which will then go to Tihar so that these people can be released from the jail. This morning, since the orders were not yet out, the lawyers for the three accused went to the High Court saying that it's been 36 hours after the bail was granted, but they have not yet been released. The High Court asked them to go back to the trial court and wait for the trial court order, so that and at 12 o'clock when they went back to the High Court, when they went back to the Karkaduma court, the interesting point is that the judge said, I have already released the orders at 11 a.m.
Okay.
Did you not get a copy of the order served to you? Now, at the moment, the lawyers are scrambling to get a copy of the order, get those orders sent to the Tihar jail so that these three activists can finally be released from Tihar. At the moment, the judge has announced in open court that yes, I've already passed orders, but the order copy has not yet reached the lawyers for the defense. Back to you.
All right, so there was some miscommunication, but it appears now the orders have been now finally come out and they have been released from the Tihar prison. Serious charges were filed against them, remember, after the anti-CAA protests, but now they are out on bail. Anisha Mathur, thank you very much for all the latest.